Aloha everybody, it is I, Marina Love Movement here, your love priestess who is healing the world of broken hearts and revealing life's greater truths. Life's greater truth today is all about death. Do we know where we go when we end up as a soul and we go into the unseen? Transformation is not a pretty process, my darlings. Whether it means transforming from this realm to the next, or moving into a higher dimension. It means that you become undone, just like the butterfly when it goes into the cocoon. It becomes undone, it becomes a messy soup, and then it emerges as this magnificent creature. This is what life is. It's all about transforming, whether you're in physical form or not. You're all transforming, you're all exploring. So just remember that as you move towards your highest version of you, just know that the journey is not always pretty. In fact, it often becomes ugly and messy and sloppy. But just hang in there. Just hang in there. Because the universe is only delivering to you what you ask for. And so the more that you are specific, the more you are terrific. Keep that in mind. And as you journey on your day today, just remember that life is but a dream. And it's time for you to live in absolute wonder and magic. In absolute truth and total freedom. This has been Marina Love signing off. I wish you all the most magical and merriest of days, always, in all ways, for always. From the beautiful Calgary, Alberta. I'm getting ready to say goodbye to it. Ciao.